The world often feels like it's collapsing under the weight of noise and chaos. Unexpected news, endless demands, and the constant roar of your own thoughts can pull you in every direction. Most people allow themselves to be swept away by this storm, but you are looking for a different path. You are seeking what it truly means to be unshaken. This isn't about feeling nothing. It's about being the captain who keeps the compass steady while the waves crash all around. Ancient wisdom teaches us a fundamental lesson. Life is divided into two parts: the things you can control and the things you cannot. You cannot change the weather, the opinions of others, or the mistakes of your past. Worrying about these things is like trying to fill a leaking bucket with water. Your energy simply drains away. An unshaken mind directs all its focus toward its own reactions, its own discipline, and its decisions in this very moment. Remember, it is not what happens outside that matters, but the meaning you choose to give it. Challenges are not obstacles meant to break you. They are the training grounds where your character is forged. Iron only turns into steel when it is beaten under high heat. When life puts you in the fire, do not fear the burn. Allow that heat to transform you into someone sharper and more resilient. Every rejection, every failure, and every disappointment is a test of your ability to remain beyond unshaken. So what can you do today? First, stop and breathe. The moment you feel your mind scattering, return to your breath. Second, focus only on the present. Tomorrow's troubles belong to tomorrow. And finally, do something every day that challenges you. Your comfort zone is the greatest enemy of an unshaken will. Small victories build great characters. The world may be stormy, but you are the stillness within the storm. You may be shaken, but you will not be broken. Because you are ready to move beyond, welcome to Beyond Unshaken. If you are with us on this journey, be sure to join our community. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and stay unshaken.